The ultimate surprise is coming. What's up guys, so Google is focusing all of our attention to their upcoming Pixel 6, the unique pre-launch unveiling, multiple trailer videos and billboards, all eyes on the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro while they prepare the ultimate surprise, which is going to be the Google Pixel Fold. The first pure Android-based foldable smartphone with custom Google chip and Pixel 6 cameras that will go head-to-head with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. According to multiple trusted sources, this smartphone is scheduled to come sometime later down this year. And now, thanks to the first look at the upcoming Android 12.1, it seems more likely that this phone is indeed coming very soon. With Android 12.1, Google brings the first glimpse of what features they have planned for their foldable Android UI. First up, we have the dual panel notification. Thanks to the larger 7.6-inch display, we have right side for notifications and left side for controls. Similar look to the lock screen as well. Then comes the app split UI, which looks similar to the One UI 3.1 from Samsung, where apps will truly take advantage of that big screen. Then comes the most important feature, which is Google adding a brand new Taskbar to the Android 12.1. This Taskbar will allow you to open applications more swiftly and also go quickly into the split screen multitasking mode. And finally, there's also a change to the recent app switcher. That's not it. The Android 12.1 source code also reveals another foldable phone that Google is working on, which will likely come next year. The codename Jumbo Jack was revealed, and according to the info from 9to5google.com, Android devs were using a mysterious Pixel device for a variety of software tests, including the posture of the phone, such as half opened or flipped. There's a possibility that Google may be looking to introduce a flip type Pixel phone sometime in the future. With Android 12.1 being almost ready, it is a sign that Pixel Fold is near, and if all goes well, we could see the glimpse of the Pixel Fold at the Pixel 6 launch. Now, speaking of Pixel 6, we have a brand new teaser trailer from Google showing off the Tensor Chip, as well as the Android 12 feature that is specific to the Pixel devices, which is the Material U theme engine. And finally, we have some new Geekbench 5 benchmark results for the Pixel 6 series, and looking at the numbers, you can see in terms of single core, it is almost on the same level as the Exynos 2100 inside the S21 Ultra and the Snapdragon 888. As for the announcement, Google is expected to announce the date for the official event very soon. So that's all the latest news. The Android 12.1 first glimpse promises that the Pixel Fold is very near. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Google has any chance to compete with Samsung when it comes to the foldable devices? Drop your thoughts and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.